Button. Dude, it's not working. You have it on video mode. Hold on, I'm taking with this one. You have it on video mode. I don't have to switch it off.
The reason I asked that is fucking nature.
Yeah, sorry, you had it on video mode.
That's no problem. I'll get it from Blackie Gibson in one. Thanks, man.
How do you switch it?
I don't know.
Whose camera's this?
I don't know.
Blackie's?
That's yours, Black?